Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your saved contacts in your Gmail account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is opening up a web browser. You can use Google Chrome or Safari if you're on an Android phone or an iPhone. It doesn't really matter, or even a computer. Just go to google.com, and the first place that you can check is by tapping on your profile button at the very top right. Make sure that you're signed into the correct accounts here that you want to check those contacts for. So for that email address, I'm going to tap on Manage Your Google Account. And now from here, all I need to do is scroll down until I find People and Sharing and tap on that. You can see your family on Google, but if I scroll down here, here's Contacts. And Contacts, I can tap on that Share button, or that button to get me into Contacts. Now, if you don't find that, keep in mind the direct link to be able to get to your contacts for Gmail is contacts.google.com. After you're on here, let's hit Stay on Web. There are all your contacts. In my case, I don't have a lot, but keep in mind at the top left, you can tap on those three lines and tap on Other Contacts. These are contacts where you get an email, say in Gmail, and it has somebody's contact information, but you don't physically save it in there. It will automatically be saved in Other Contacts. Keep in mind, you might also want to go to Frequent as well. And then a Trash, of course, if you've deleted any recently. Now, let's also just make sure that all of those Gmail contacts are being synced up on your phone. To do that, we can swipe up and open up your settings. Oh, let me go back to the very beginning so I can show you this. Go back to the very beginning of your settings and then scroll down until you get to Accounts and Backup. Tap on that and then Manage Accounts at the very top. You can see there is my Gmail account. Just tap on Gmail and then Sync Account and make sure Contacts is turned on. Of course, if that is turned off, then all of those contacts won't be on your phone, iPhone or Android. So you want to make sure that is turned on. Now, if you hop out here and open up that Contacts app, all of the contacts from your Gmail will be included in here as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.